Hi everyone, today we're thinking about fall here at Bride and Bloom Weddings. I know, already, but if you're planning a fall wedding, you're thinking about your flowers. So we have a wonderful do-it-yourself project here today with these Real Touch calla lilies. So you can quick and easily make as many boutonnieres as you need for your guys in no time at all. These are just so fun and fast to put together. So let's get started. What we've selected here is a few pieces of fall vine that we're going to put on the side of the calla, our callas, and then we have some pearl pins that we're going to use, as well as some really pretty rustic sheer ribbon that we're going to wrap on the bottom of those stems. So before you get started, what you're going to need at home is you're going to need a pair of scissors and a pair of wire snippers. As well, you'll need a glue gun with a multi-temperature glue stick. That works really well. So let's get started. What we usually do is you can choose whatever side you like to place the vine. I just usually place it to the right of the boutonniere. So we'll go ahead and just so the top part of the vine just peeks over the top of the calla lily. So we'll place that there, and we're going to wrap it with design tape. Now, if you've never used design tape, it's super easy to work with. What it does is it stretches a little bit and sticks to itself. So it makes it wonderful for wrapping these boutonnieres. So we'll just pull a little tension there and wrap that around, securing that vine right onto the calla lily. And then we're going to add one more little piece here. I just love the texture of this vine. Lots of beautiful curls and leaves on there. It's just so pretty. And it just makes a wonderful look. Beautiful finishing touches for your groomsmen, fathers. There we go. And this pulls off quite easily, this design tape, so that's great, or rips off easily. So there we go, and it sticks to itself. Sits on there quite nice. Now, for the length of the stem, I usually go about 1.5 inches on these calla lilies. That usually works out pretty good for length. So we'll go ahead, and I usually measure that about 1.5 inches, and I cut at a slight angle with my wire snippers. Just take that right off. We don't need that bottom part. And then I'll take a little bit of design tape and wrap that bottom. So there we go. So you can leave it at that point, or I like to finish with the ribbon because it's just such a beautiful, shiny, I need another glue stick on here. Beautiful, shiny finish. So we'll put a little bit on the end, right on the back. There, and I've pre-cut this ribbon. It's 20 inches, 25 inches, and I loop the ribbon so that we have like a double, so you don't see any of that design tape through there. And then what I do is I fold, so we glue that down and then turn and fold in your ribbon, covering all of that tape. And then you wrap the stems completely up to the base of the calla lily. And then as I turn my ribbon a little bit so it lays flat. There we go. We're going to go all the way up. I used brown design tape underneath this because we're finishing with a sheer ribbon, and I don't really want to see any of that tape through there. So, okay, we're going to finish in the back. So we'll find our back, and I'm going to cut that right there. A little bit of glue on there. And then we'll press that right down. There we go. We want to finish it in the back because we don't want to see that glue on the front of the boutonniere. So we'll just set that right down. There we go. And then I've got a couple of pearl pin boutonniere pins, And one of them we're going to use to secure it to the suit. But the other one, what I like to do is just put it in the front of the boutonniere. It just gives a nice decorative finish. So I'm going to cut that about, let's see, it's just over a 1/4 inch there. And we're going to cut it at an angle so that it pushes in quite easily to the boutonniere. Do that again. It wasn't a very good angle. There we go. So you can see it's got a sharp point there. And then we're going to push it right into the front of your boutonniere. There we go. So that gives a really pretty finish on the front of that. There we are. And then we have our other pearl pin for the back that you can secure to the suit. So there you have it, a wonderful addition to your fall wedding, these calla lily boutonnieres. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you're interested in doing this do-it-yourself project or any of the other projects that we have, just click on the link below and we'll see you in our shop. And if there's any questions that you have, be sure to ask. I'm always here, happy to help you design your wedding flowers. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, guys.